Hello everyone, it's Muhammad from Royal Tech Auto Services. Today I'm presenting you guys the 7th generation of S-Class W223 Mercedes Maybach S580. So this luxury sedan came in for a paint job, and as per the client requirement, he wanted to change the color from white to black without damaging its original paint job. So we suggested him to go for a peelable paint. The result and finishing is in front of you guys. As you guys can see, the trim is already transformed from the chrome to gloss black. The grille, you can see it's the same as per the client requirement. Also the logo and the wheel of the car from chrome, original Maybach chrome to gloss black. The logo remains same as per the client requirement. So complete details you can see in the video. And also, if you are interested in changing your car color and change it to any color of your choice, please do visit Royal Tech Auto Services.
Visit Royal Tech Auto Services in Al Quoz Industrial Area 2 or visit our website royaltechautos.com.